Mohammed Ahmed was born Sennar region in Somaliland, especially Ilabwain, and he from age 2 years old.
Mohammed Ahmed, just coming off the 5,000 meters, qualified. Just take us through your race and how you're feeling.
I feel good. The race was tactical, and obviously that was the harder of the two heats. So I didn't know how it was going to play out, but I just stuck my nose in it and did as best as I could. So, and I'm happy and pleased to be moving on.
You're already the Pan Am Games student, no, World Student Games champion. It is the Pan American Games champion. You know, this would be a big step up. Are you aiming for a market here? A medal here?
I mean, that's the goal anytime. There's a lot of good athletes, and I hope to stick my nose in it and, try to get, a medal. That's a goal. That's a hope. That's what I've been training for all year. So, yeah, it'd be great.
And sharing the same name as the great Mohammed Farah.
Yeah.
Inspiration for you?
A little bit, yeah, absolutely. Growing up, he was definitely one of the guys that I looked up to. Now that he's one of my competitors, I have a lot of respect for him. But the inspiration and the awe factor out of him has to kind of go away a little bit, because I want to beat him. So, yeah.
Give us a little bit more about your background. Where are you from originally? Are you Canadian born?
I was born in Somalia, just like Mo Farah. I share the same desert blood. But I moved to Canada at a young age, and really I grew up. I left Somalia when I was 2 months old. So, so I'm as Western as it gets, So yeah.
Getting into track, what are your ambitions for the future?
Hopefully, fight for medals. That's always the goal and the aspiration. So, yeah.
Thank you, Mohammed.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Yep. They're gasping for air. Ahmed down the straight. Everybody standing. What a finish. Big strides. Ring away from the American. Rono. It's Mohammed Ahmed with a furious flourish to finish first for gold. Rono for silver. Barrios for bronze. A stirring final lap. What a finish. 28:54 and change unofficially. 28:49.96 unofficially. What a final lap as Mohammed Ahmed of St. Catharines, Ontario ran 55 seconds in the final lap, matched and then bested